Welcome back to Sync O Tech, your go-to destination for all things electronics. Today, we're diving into the world of breadboards, the foundation of prototyping in electronics. In this video, we'll explore what breadboards are, how they work, and some essential tips for using them effectively. So, let's jump right in. First off, what exactly is a breadboard? Well, think of it as a platform for creating temporary electronic circuits without the need for soldering. It's like a playground where you can quickly test and prototype your ideas. Breadboards consist of multiple rows and columns of interconnected holes, known as tie points, into which you can insert electronic components and wires. Each row of tie points is electrically connected internally, both horizontally and vertically, allowing you to create complex circuits by simply plugging in components. Now that we know what breadboards are, let's discuss some tips for using them effectively. Tip 1. Always start by placing your components strategically on the breadboard, considering the circuit layout and organization. Tip 2. Use jumper wires to make connections between components. Keep them short and tidy to avoid clutter. Tip 3. Double-check your connections and ensure components are inserted correctly to prevent any accidental short circuits. And there you have it. An introduction to breadboards and some handy tips for using them in your electronics projects. Stay tuned for more videos where we dive deeper into the world of electronics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for updates on future content. Until next time, happy prototyping.